Chapter number 15, probability. We will start it. In standard 9, we have already studied, but here we first of all we will revise it, then we will study it in more details according to the portion of standard 10. થોડોક આપણે ડીપમાં જશું. Probability એમ તો it is easy and you have studied also. Somewhat 10th standard sums also I explained at that time, but we will revise it just here. In our daily life, we use some words like doubt, maybe, chance to show for uncertain happening. We are not sure events it may or not may be happen. Okay, ઘણી વસ્તુ it will be happen or not happen. It is an uncertainty. આપણને એના વિશે ડાઉટ હોય કે એક બનશે કે નહીં બનશે. Suppose we have taken some example. It will be probability to rain today. આજે વરસાદ પડશે, પડે નહીં બી પડે. It is not certain. What is the probability? What is the possibility? Such types of the question arise. I doubt that he will pass in test or not. Maybe or not maybe. How many chances are there? What is the probability for this one? There is a 50-50 chance of India winning a toss in today match. આજની મેચમાં ટોસ જીતે ઇન્ડિયા, કેટલા ચાન્સીસ? 0.5%. ઓકે, કે ભાઈ 50% ચાન્સ છે ને 50% નથી, maybe. Such types of this situation we will framing in the proper theory and find the probability. Actually probability started with gambling. એમ જોવા જઈએ ને તો આ probability છે ને તે gambling થી ચાલુ થઈ ગયું. એક gambler હતો. We will study it in the history. Then it has been used widely in the field of physics, commerce, biology, medical, weather forecasting and many others sectors. પછી તો ઘણા બધા વિભાગના અંદર આપણે આ પ્રોબેબિલિટી નો યુઝ કર્યો. ફિઝિક્સમાં, કોમર્સમાં તો બહુ ભાવ વધશે કે ઘટશે, which demand will be increase, decrease, like this way. In weather forecasting always you have seen medical, if we give this medicines to this one, what happening, like this way. The uncertainty of probability etc. can be measured numerically by means of probability in many cases. આપણે એને mathematical framing કરશું, equations બનાવશું અને એનો numerical cases ના અંદર એનો study કરશું. Now we will see the somewhat interesting history about this probability theory, how it is increase this one. Okay, now history of theory of probability. That is only for information. Sometimes it is asked in the 1 mark question, sometimes. Okay, but it is interesting, so we have taken this one. The concept of probability developed very in strange manner. It is very funny manner. It is like this way. There was a once gambler whose name is Chevalier. Went to the French philosopher mathematicians Blaise Pascal. Pascal પાસે ગયો આ gambler Xavier de Marais to solve some problems of the dice. કોઈ problem solve કરવા માટે ગયો. Pascal also took the interest. He also took the interest for this solving this problem. He also this problem with the discuss with his friend, one friend scientist mathematicians that with his friends Perry the format and try to solve this one. Both have worked on this independently. and gave some statement. They solved these problems independently. This work was beginning of the probability theory. Then many mathematicians attract to the study about this. ઘણા બધા મેથેમેટિશિયન્સ એના પર આકર્ષ્યા અને એ લોકોએ પણ એના પર કામ ચાલુ કરી દીધું. In 1663, J. Cardan wrote the first book on the subject, the books on games of chance. That is important words. The books on games of the chance. Who wrote it? J. Cardan. In which country he was belong? Italian. He was Italian. Okay. After this, the development of this probability is very much. Another mathematicians just like James Brownlee, A.D. Mowbray, Parry-Sampson's, Lastons gave the significant contributions to this field. આ ફિલ્ડના અંદર આ બધા ઘણું બધું contributions આપ્યું. In 1812, Laplace wrote the theory analytic des probabilities, that is your French words actually, which gives the much contributions, which gives very helpful to develop these fields. That means this chapter probability develop karvanu ama ઘણું બધું છે. Now there are the two types of the probability. One is accidental empirical probability, which we have studied in standard 9, and second theoretical probability. What is meant by empirical probability? When you do the actual experiment and get the probability, find the probability, that is known as the empirical probability. Sometimes their values are different. मैं आज 1000 વખત ટોસ કર્યો અને હેડ્સ આવવાની પ્રોબેબિલિટી શોધ કરી. બીજી વખત 5000 વખત કર્યો તો I will not get the same answer. કદાચ ની બી આવે બી, but it is nearer to 0.5. Okay, so it is estimate. So it is a estimate. The probabilities are obtained by actual experiment is known as the empirical probability or a empirical probability or a experimental probability. Right? Empirical probability, it is only estimate. As the number of experiment is increased, the value of that probability is closer to the theoretical probabilities. આપણે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ. Many mathematicians has done the experiment of tossing. Tossing કરવાનો એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કર્યો અને એ લોકોએ શોધ્યું what is the probability of getting the heads. ત્રણના નામ આપણે લઈએ. First of all, French naturalist Comte de Buffon. આણે કહ્યું, બફોને કેટલી વખત હેડ ટેલ્સ કર્યું? 4040 times કર્યું. How many times he got the heads? 2048. And you know that probability of getting the heads is equal to 2048 upon 4040. It is 0.57507. He got this answer. And an answer. ત્યાર પછી એક British mathematician that J.E. Carriage. એણે કેટલી વખત કર્યો? Tossing 10,000 times. Get the number of heads. 5067 times એને એ મળ્યું heads. Now PA, probability of getting the head, is equal to 0.5067. As the number of experiment is increased, the number of value is called closer to the 0.5. 0.5 ની વચ્ચે આવે ને, આના કરતા ઊંચું. Then statisticians Carl Pearson કેટલી વખત કર્યો એને? 24,000 times. આટલી વખત કર્યું. હેડ્સ કેટલી વખત મળ્યો એને? 12,000 12 times. 12 times upon 40,000. So he got the value of getting the probability of head is 0.5005. See here, all empirical values are different. બધાની amplitudes. But as the number of accident is increased, it is closer to the value of theoretical value. Theoretical value ની એકદમ 0.5 ની નજીકના નજીક અંદર આવતા જાય છે. Okay, next times we will see some sums based on it, its formula and many other things.